Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can find your recently post, story and reel in Instagram account. If you think that you mistakenly deleted anything from your Instagram, then you need to recover it. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the Instagram apps. Click on this. And after that, go to your profile. Here you can see your profile. Then click here, three dot line, the top right corner. Just click on this. And here you can see the third option, your activity. Okay, just click on this and scroll down. Then here you can see the last option and before the recently deleted. So click on this, and after that you will see everything you have deleted already. You will find here in this option. I think this is easy tutorial for you and it's helpful for you. Okay friend, I consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.